Hello, I'm Richard from Made by the Forge, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put up a curtain pole. So you're going to need a few tools, which I'll now show you. So what we've got here is we've got a curtain pole with the rings and the brackets and the finials and the screws. So that all comes when you get your curtain pole. What you will need to get is a drill, tape measure, a spirit level, a pencil and a screwdriver. And all of that will help you when you come to put it up, which I'll talk you through now. So, when you ordered your curtain pole, you would have made a decision on the amount of drawback, which is the amount of pole outside of the window that you wanted. So knowing that, you can now decide how high you want your pole to be. And then it's a simple case of the lines will cross. So it's how high the pole is and how far out the pole is coming, and that's where the first bracket is going to go. And I'll now put it on the wall, show you how to do it. Okay, so now I've decided exactly where I want my curtain pole to sit on this area here above the window and how far my drawback is coming out. I know where my bracket needs to go and I can offer that up, and I can very carefully mark the first hole with my pencil. There it is there. And I can then drill my hole. So put your first screw in. Don't tighten it all the way up. Now what we need to do is check the bracket is upright, and we'll do that with the spirit level. And then I can mark my second hole. Right there. Carefully mark the second hole. And then you can pull the bracket to one side carefully and drill the second hole. So now we've got our first bracket up, we can put the second one up, which is this side. So I'm going to hold my curtain pole up now and just check its level, mark the brackets, and then I can repeat the process of putting the bracket up on the wall. So I'm going to offer the pole up, plonk it in the bracket, and then now I can see exactly where this bracket wants to go. All I need to do is check with my spirit level that it's level. Yep, that's level. I can now mark the hole. And then I can take the whole thing down carefully and drill the hole. So I'll lift the pole into place. Then I can add my rings. Finally, attach the finials. So push the finial in and then tighten it with the grub screw on the top with the Allen key. Just tighten that up, and that secures the finial in place. Well, I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.